Hello, this video shows you how to take the hard drive out of a Sony Vaio mobile laptop. I've seen other YouTube videos which explain how to take the keyboard off, then you prise open the top section to be able to get to the hard drive, but I found out through trying to get the hard drive out that there's a much simpler way to do that, which involves moving 3 screws. The 3 screws you need, first of all, these 2 here, left and right one, these hold the hard drive into play, and the third one is a bit more tricky to find. It's actually this screw here. Now normally there'll be some black tape over these 2 screws here hiding them, so you won't necessarily see them straight away, but if you remove this screw here, you can leave this one in if you just remove the hard drive. The hard drive is situated under this section here, and if you look underneath you can see the hard drive caddy poking out. So once we've removed with our screwdrivers these 3 screws, you can then simply pull the hard drive out. There you go. So that's the Sony Vaio hard drive. Change the hard drive over, just replace these 4 screws here on the caddy, put your new hard drive in there, and then simply reinsert back into your computer, put back in your 3 screws, and there you are, there you have it.